Hey, what's up? Welcome to my first ever vlog. Today I'm going to be doing engine bay cleanup on my Silvia. I'm going to be installing a strut bar. So, I'll show you the car and the engine bay, and then we'll get into what I'm going to be doing. So this is my Silvia. It is a 92 Silvia. Look at that, uncracked dash. So the engine bay is painted in basically like a purple, pinky purple. And what I've already done just yesterday is I went from this rocker cover, which is like just the factory red. It's all chipped and it was clean underneath, but it just didn't look too good on top. So what I've gone and done is change to this, which is basically KH3 black with purple and blue flake sparkle, which looks awesome. It's really brightened up the engine bay. It looks amazing outside. You probably can't see it great on camera, but you can see, if I move along, you can see the sparkles. So the flake looks really cool. And it's definitely changed up the engine bay a heap. So next, what I'm going to be doing is installing a strut bar. I took the old one off because it was just painted white. You can see I've still got to get the white paint off this. This was the old one, which was just looked crap. It was just painted white and it's got like oil stains on it and stuff. So that really didn't look good in there. So it looks a little better without, but because there's no paint on here, and I think it just needs another one, so I've gone and got a cheaper kind of version, but the Ultrax Performance S13 strut bar. That's it there. Pretty basic, nothing too crazy. These are the ends. They came blue. Not sure if I like it yet, but I'll sort of see how it looks, I suppose. I haven't really put it up there yet. I don't know if it'll really go. I might have to kind of paint them. I'm not sure yet. It doesn't really fit. It might look okay. I guess I'll try it out. If I don't like it, then I might just paint them a different color. So yeah, let's get into installing this, and it should look really good. Alright, so I've sort of got it mocked up in there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I think I've I think the threads are kind of like there's more distance on that one, so I might need to just take it back off and just twist it the right way. But other than that, it's definitely freshened it up a bit. I think the blue looks okay. Not really sure, but it'll do for now. I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, so that's pretty much done now. I don't know if it's perfect. I just was like, yep, that'll do. I think it looks pretty good. Engine bay is looking pretty clean now. So just a few things to keep in mind if you want to get one of these and do this, so you don't make the same mistakes I did. So make sure this is on this side, not the bolt, because otherwise you can't get to the Allen key on this side. So yeah, this side's fine because there's heaps of room there, but on this side obviously there's not as much room. So make sure you put this on this side. And another thing is, I think it's this side is like a left thread. So it comes with like this side threaded into this, and then this side out. So it just, make sure that you don't like try to thread it the wrong way. Just for a sec I was like, why isn't this going in? But then that was why. So not sure if it's perfectly even, but I just couldn't be bothered to just sense it, just put it all in. So it looks pretty good. I'm assuming that's sort of supposed to go like there. That's about like the center. I don't know. Sort of like, yeah. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be, but good enough for me. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up the vlog. Install went really well. It looks so much better. I'm so happy with how the engine bay came out. So next things that I'll be doing soon, I will be changing the radiator on the Silvia. I've got a new one coming for my 180, which I'll show you now, this car. I'll just give you a quick little look at it. So this is my drift car, Silvia is my street car. So I'm going to be putting a new radiator in that, and then I'll be putting the one out of that in the Silvia for now, because I think the one in that isn't that great. I've got a thermostat coming for that as well, so I'm going to be changing that. I'll do an install video on that as well. I'll give you a quick little view at the 180, but we'll do like a full walk around at both my cars at some stage. At the moment, it's not really a good day, so I'm not really going to take him out. So, this is my drift car, 180SX, Brides, just reps, Buddy Club P1s, just SR as well, pretty much just stock, basic setup, just front mount, still running the stock ECU at the moment, nothing too crazy really, just T25 turbo, stock turbo. It's got a Vertex front bar, it's still got the stock side skirts, and it did have a Vertex rear bar, but I crashed, so rear end isn't looking too great at the moment. But what do you expect? It's a drift car, you're gonna crash, it's just expected to happen. So I will get it fixed up, but for now, yeah, it's not looking the best. So soon I'm gonna either take it somewhere, get these dents pulled out and get that repainted, or I might sand it all down, try to get it pulled out as best I can, and then I might just repaint this whole rear quarter. Not sure yet. But anyway, I think that pretty much wraps up today's vlog. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.